Hey guys, welcome to another one of those videos that you really like, an After Effects video. So basically, today I'm going to be showing you how, this is part of the part 1 and part 2. You can see a card will appear now and it'll be in like top corner, like they normally are. And please hit that subscribe button if you like my content. And let's get straight into After Effects and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so basically we're in After Effects now, and let's press New Composition and drag that over. Test 2. Okay, got Test 2. No duration, random duration. Let's just set it to 30. Get rid of that 1. I don't need to know. Okay, we'll deal with the 1 second on the end to see if they make a difference. Okay, I've got 2 screens, but you may not have 2 screens. Okay. So basically, we have this little layer, and I'm going to be showing you how to make text go all the way around the screen, just like. So basically, here's text, and you could probably make an intro from this video. You could, yeah. Okay, so I don't know. Let's type up hello. No, not hello. Test. And I might be putting this template so you can download it, so please get some subscribers. Get your friends, tell all your friends about this channel if they like After Effects. Like, because there's a market for After Effects and like videos, but not some, like some are good, some are really good, but mine comes in the category of sad. Okay, so we've got test and a nice little osty, and then we can go down here. Remember this one in part 1, I say you should really do part 1 first before this, but okay, it's your choice. So we have position, and we're going to make it slide across the screen. So first things first, we're going to press that stop watch like in the other video, put it up there, then move it about 2 seconds in, and put it back down into the middle, and be like, okay, so we have that. And then we're going to make it rotate a bit. Put on that stopwatch, like a beautiful stopwatch. Okay, and go back to the position where we are, and make this turn like mad, like there. And then we're gonna put it over here, and it's gonna be like, it's gonna turn whilst it's coming down, so it's gonna look really cool. And it's gonna be a boosh, and then we can scale it as well, so scale, put a marker here, and then move it here, and I'm going to make it like come from the, so it's going like, make it like this, and then slowly, very slowly, come back. Okay, there you go, very slowly has come back. Now let's watch this, because remember doing the rendering time, so it's not going to be like real time. It's going to just wiggle around a bit. Ugh. Bit weird. Okay, well you can design it how you want. That's mainly the main thing of keying. And now we can add some special effects. Wow. I'm going to go up to, let's go, you can't see this because I'm not recording that bit, but I'm going to go up. What should we add? Effects. Let's do Video Copilot. No. I'm going to, yeah, Video Copilot, Saber, like in the other video, and we've got it on, and we're going to go into Custom Core, Saber, Text Layer, and apply that to Test 1. I did them. Okay, back, there, create a new solid, any colour. Then on that solid, we're going to put the Video Copilot Saber. I'll put a link in the description for the Video Copilot. You can download it for free right now when this video is recording, so it might not be free anymore. So get to it and grab it. I'll do another video on how to make it like all about Video Copilot, like how to attach it to the thing, like the other one. That looks like a really good neon sign. And let's make it 3D as well. This button means 3D. You can then once it's 3D, go onto this, transform, you get all these amazing other ones. And look at this, you can actually twist it that way, so it's actually 3D. But it gets a bit pixely when you're like doing it. And what has happened? What's the lighting? Move it back down a bit. Guess it doesn't work with Video Copilot, the 3D effect, or I've just done it completely wrong, and I'm probably Video Copilot's gonna be really annoyed with me. But okay, play. Okay, it's gonna not render in real time. Remember the non-render thing. Okay, so it's coming down very slowly, like a tortoise almost. Very slowly, and that noise is my laptop trying to process how much it is going on, because I have millions of windows open in the background. It's mad. Okay, so that's slow. Very slow. So slow. Ugh. Can't wait this long. I'm just gonna go for a second.
One eternity later.
Okay, so it has loaded, and yes, it has loaded, finally. Took very long, I was waiting, so I had to cut the film because how long it was taking to load. It is ridiculous. Oh, what is that glitch? Oh, there's a glitch there, a really weird one. Okay, so here it is. Just random words flying around, so that's a random word flying around, and you could always do that. That turns the background to transparent, because black means transparent, but in this case I have a solid behind it, so it's not going to work. And I have text there, so it's going to be like wiggle. But just don't look at this screen. I'm going to block it out. Okay, so there, test. There. Okay, so viewers that are ready to subscribe, please subscribe now. Like, it will mean a lot to me for subscribers to come. So just press that little tiny red watermark in the bottom of the screen. But just press it, and that tiny little button can actually make me feel better. Okay, so basically we've got the video, and we are going to now make it have some nice bang explosions. We're gonna I don't know what to do with it. This is gonna be a basics of After Effects, okay? Like part 2. Okay, so for this is where you change the things, so it would have loaded quicker if I put it in quarter, but I forgot to, so that's sad. And here is the adaptive camera. You can change it to different views and like where it's gonna view from, back, stuff like that. Just keep its front, please don't have broken you. Okay, 2 views, and then like 4 views. It's just crazy sometimes. Just go 1 view, perfect. Now you can see that's how you solve it. Okay, so yeah, it takes a long time to learn After Effects, but I bet you can learn some videos. You can learn by some videos, and I'm not killing mine, because you would be stuck on the edge of a cliff right now if you were watching my video. Okay, so I love making videos, so it's really fun. Okay, so here we have like a lot of different items at the top, and like this thing is making you move your canvas, and this thing is basically to move your text to fly it around the screen. Ah, there's a tail on it. Okay, there it is. Yeah, so this is like, I'm going to do more like based on something, but these 2 videos, part 1 and part 2 ones, have just been testing out how to do it, like once you've just started, like what you're meant to do. So, what part 2, and then now part 1. Okay, so, and if once the next video is out about how to use Saber thing, attach it to a real lightsaber, I'll put a card there. So if there's no card there, that means it's not out, okay? So, don't need to look through my profile of the YouTube channel, so that's good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Always remember to subscribe, and everybody who likes Brick by Block, we do many videos of every type, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you, everyone.